Welcome back to EasyPy. In this project, we'll build a real-time currency converter using Python. You'll learn how to fetch live exchange rates from an API, work with JSON data, and perform calculations. Section 1. Setting up the API. We'll be using the Exchange Rate API to get live currency rates. This API is free and easy to use. We just need to send a request to their endpoint and parse the returned JSON data. Section 2. Getting user input. The program will ask the user for three things: the base currency, the target currency, and the amount to convert. Section 3. Fetching exchange rates. We'll write a function called get_exchange_rate that sends a request to the API and returns the exchange rate between the chosen currencies. Section 4. Performing the conversion. Once we have the rate, we simply multiply the amount by the rate to get the converted value, and print it nicely formatted to 2 decimal places. This is a simple but powerful Python project that introduces you to APIs, JSON, and working with live data. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.